Thanks for joining us at XM.com for today's Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Christina Marujos. Global markets are tanking on Friday after U.S. President Trump confirmed he has tested positive for COVID-19, injecting another dose of uncertainty into election dynamics. Wall Street futures were already flashing red, and the Trump news accelerated the sell-off. E-mini futures currently point to a 1.3% drop for the S&P 500 at the open today. Across the risk spectrum, all the traditional safe havens are having a great day. The Japanese yen, Swiss franc, gold, bonds, and to a smaller extent, the reserve currency itself are shining as investors seek shelter from the storm. Since Trump and Republican senators have been meeting with Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett all week, will have the Senate now go into quarantine? If so, that may diminish the chances of any stimulus deal passing before the election, as the Senate does not currently allow voting by proxy for floor votes. One could read this sell-off as a signal that this diminishes Trump's chances and that Biden is bad for stocks. However, that may be a premature conclusion. Many believe a Biden presidency would threaten markets because he will raise taxes on the wealthy, corporations, and capital gains. Yet the Democrats would also deliver massive fiscal stimulus, which may neutralize the negative impact of tax hikes. Considering how American politics work, and that raising taxes in the middle of a recession would be risky, one could argue the Democrats may deliver on the massive spending but not lift taxes significantly, which is a very market-friendly mix. The British pound is trading like a pinball machine amid a flurry of conflicting Brexit headlines. The volatility is likely to continue over the coming weeks as sentiment swings between deal to no deal, though sterling's overall trajectory will also depend on how global risk appetite fares. The main event today will be the U.S. employment report for September. Forecasts point to another solid report. Note, though, that NFP reports only tend to be an intraday volatility event nowadays, not a trendsetter for markets. The initial reaction typically fades within a few minutes. This was today's Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great weekend.